has cooked rice. She has cooked rice.
My mother has made tea. My mother has made tea.
I have read a book. I have read a book.
He has gone to school. He has gone to school. The teacher has taught the students. The teacher has taught the students.
Rahim has run in the park. Rahim has run in the park. The children have danced. The children have danced.
I have listened to music. I have listened to music.
She has cleaned the room. She has cleaned the room.
We have done our homework. We have done our homework.
The sun has shone brightly. The sun has shone brightly. He has written a letter. He has written a letter. They have worked in the field. They have worked in the field. They have worked in the field.